All right, so you guys probably know by now, I'm a huge fan of these Pure Band resistance loops. They're available on Amazon. I'll put a link below. The thing that I love about these, they're latex free, they never roll up, and they're super, super comfortable. Yes, if you've been using it for months and months, eventually they're gonna wear out and break, but every resistance band is gonna be like that. This has been one of my favorite products, and I'm gonna show you a little passive stretch that you can do for a knee that's stiff after a total knee replacement. If you're trying to get from 90 degrees to 110 degrees or improve knee flexion in general, this is the easiest, kind of most comfortable way to do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the Pure Band loop, you're gonna take a standard chair, you're gonna hook the loop underneath one of the legs. You can take a rolled up beach towel. I'm grabbing a pillow. I'm gonna come in here, and basically what I'm gonna do is, let me do this one first. You're gonna put the loop around the ankle. You're gonna grab the cushion. You're gonna put it underneath and behind the leg, and you're just gonna chill out. So what's happening in this position, let me get that ball. What's happening in this position is the band is pulling back pretty gently. It's pretty comfortable. The pillow is giving you a little lift so your foot doesn't get stuck on the ground. I'm just hanging out. And then if I want to increase the stretch, I can kind of shift my hips forward a little bit. You can see how that angle increases. If I want to give myself a little break from the stretch, I can kick against it. That's activating the quadricep. This motion of contract, relax is a very effective strategy to allow the tissue to stretch when you're in that relaxed position. But I can also, I just recorded a video talking about the difference between static and dynamic stretching. So static stretching is I stay in this position, I let the tissue stretch for 2 to 3 minutes, up to 20 minutes. Dynamic stretching is I give it a little bit of a bounce. And when you're dealing with inflammation that's restricting knee flexion, that little oscillation, not to the point of pain, but to the point of a little discomfort, is usually one of the best ways to start to stimulate that tissue in a new way. You know, we become very accustomed to long duration, low intensity static stretching. Our body adapts to it, so we want something a little different. And this little bouncing dynamic stretch is a great way to do it. But whether you let the band pull you back, or you do the dynamic stretching, or you do the contract, relax stretching, this little setup right here is usually one of the easiest ways for patients at home to get into a position where they can work on knee flexion, especially if they are struggling to get to 90 degrees. If you want more than 90 degrees, we'll talk about different exercises.